the item kits section. Now in this section, you will be able to create kits or bundles for your products. All you would have to do is add a new item kit. You would fill out the information. Let's go ahead and fill out the product ID. Give the item kit a name. Let's go ahead and go with the basketball kit. Select the category which it will fall under. In our case, it'll be sports and outdoors. Select the manufacturer in case you want to. Let's go ahead and add the basketball tag here. And then a brief description. Okay, once we have this, we would go into the items added, where you would be able to add the actual items that will go inside the kit. We know we want to add the basketball shoes we have and also the basketball we have. You can add as many items as you want to your kit, and you can optionally add an extra item. Once we have this, all we have to do is go to the pricing section. It'll automatically tell us how much the cost for those two items will be. All we would have to do here is select a margin of profit. Let's say I want to make 20% off of this sale. So I would calculate the price according to the margin, and this will be the final price that we will offer this bundle at. You could optionally add an image for the bundle, and you could select which locations you'd like to offer this bundle at. In my case, I only have one location, so there's no locations coming up. So once we have all of this, we submit it. And as you can see, it automatically added our bundle. So we can select the bundle and then generate our barcode labels or create the barcode sheet. So this is all regarding the item kits, where you would be able to bundle up different items for a special sale. Let's go ahead and move on to the next section.